Whoa, shit. Not exactly the welcoming home party he thought he was gonna have, maybe. Momentous, gonna have to fight them all, I think. Hey guys, it's Rhett and Lucy from the 100-acre wood Highlands. It's springtime, so we're getting into severe weather season. We had some big thunderstorms last night, another 65% chance today. So lots of mud and water around on the farm. And we are always needing good work boots. My old leather work boots are getting worn out. The sole's starting to separate. Lucy was in the corral yesterday with Bernadette and Hallie and got some cow manure on her good tennis shoes. So a company called Hisea sent us both a pair of boots to try out. We're gonna open those up, put them on and go do our chores and see what we think of these new work boots. Let's check it out. Were you excited to open up these boots, Lucy? They came in the mail let's see, about 4 days ago, and Lucy found out about it, and she's been dying to open this package. Point it away from you. Away from you. There you go.
I've never used a pocket knife.
Oh, you're doing fine. Tear it open.
Ooh, that's a big box.
Big box? All right, open it up. What'd you get?
I got some tissue paper.
Hey, those look nice. Kind of, they're like neoprene on top and rubber on bottom. Yeah.
Rubbing off right there. What is that?
It's like a cell phone case or something. All right. Take your other boot out and let's try them on. Mine are basically exactly like yours, just bigger.
Ooh, these are huge.
Lifetime warranty.
These are huge. Where's your pocket knife? These are huge.
They're too big for you?
They still fit. They just have a whole lot of room down.
You have a lot of room. Well, good. That means you'll be able to wear them for a long time.
Here's the other boot.
Yeah.
Yay! These are comfy.
They are comfy. What do you think?
I think they're super nice. They're very comfy. And I'm gonna wear them every time we come out here to come work.
Oh, that sounds like an awesome idea, Lucy. That's much better than wearing your tennis shoes to go check the cows, huh?
Or my rain boots.
Are they got a lot of cushion in them?
Mm-hmm.
Good. And look, ours match. They're the exact same. Mine's just a lot bigger.
And do you know that part?
Yeah, it looks a little different on the top. You're right.
But that's okay. Hey, no.
They are really comfortable. They got a lot of cushion in the soles. I like
the sole?
the bottom part that you're standing on. They seem like they're gonna be pretty good. We're gonna go out and go check the bull. He's in the corral. It's probably got some mud in it and stuff. Maybe we'll check out and see what's growing in the garden. Just go run around, wear them for a little while, and then we'll come back and let you know what we think.
Is there any rows right here?
Nothing is growing right there. We haven't planted much in the garden right now.
Onions.
Yep, these are onions. They're kind of starting to make like little seed heads, aren't they?
Yeah.
That's kind of neat. And we have
Here's our lettuce.
Our lettuce.
This is our dead one.
Yeah, well, that one it's kind of growing back though, isn't it?
Yeah.
We got a bunch of different kinds of
Here's
lettuces.
our 2 friends.
We should come and pick some lettuce and have a salad tonight, huh?
Yeah, let's pick.
Lucy thinks salad's a really good way to eat ranch.
Back this way.
What do we got growing over on this side, Lucy?
I want to use this lettuce.
That lettuce? All right, we'll come pick it before dinner. What's growing in those rows?
Those are our potatoes.
Potatoes? You planted most of those. We got 2 big rows of potatoes. I think that'll be fun. Last year we planted a ton of potatoes and we picked them kind of all summer long.
Here's our purple lettuce. So we're probably going to pick a small amount of purple lettuce too.
Yeah.
Here's this little lettuce.
This is lettuce that we started from seeds.
That's the lettuce that we bought from
Yeah,
the store.
so these other ones we planted, these other ones we did seeds.
Ooh, look at these potatoes.
Mm-hmm. These potatoes are looking good. Well, it's about time that we cleaned out this chicken coop. It's really dirty in here. That's gonna be one of our spring projects, but don't scare that hen. But that hen right there has been laying on some eggs for days. But yeah, you could go and collect those 3 eggs. Those are yesterday's eggs.
Can I crack one?
No, we eat those. Here, let's look at this hen. Squat down. Don't touch her. So, this is one of our...
Please just do it like that.
Real gentle. Oh, she's scared. See that egg from underneath her? Just touch it. Don't pull it out. Is it warm? Hey, she's gonna get you. Is it warm? Good. Okay, now leave her alone. Leave her alone. Back up. Back up. So she's sitting on these eggs to keep them warm. And if she sits on them for 21 days, that's how long it takes for an egg, a fertilized egg, to hatch. So
she's huge, so I think that she's still laying for babies.
yeah, so she'll probably tuck that egg that's out underneath her here in just a second. Why don't you grab those 3 eggs right over there, and we'll take those inside the kitchen. Don't shake them, just pick them.
There's nothing shaking in here, and they're warm. There might.
Somebody probably just laid them. Here, give them to me. Okay, let's
Can we
watch 'em.
crack one to
No.
see?
She's gonna back you. Okay, get back. Leave
It
her alone.
doesn't hurt.
Leave her alone. Oh, Ruger, you're gonna scare Bernadette and Hallie. Bernadette and Hallie, Jasper, Snow Walker, and Irina, we all kept in this pasture.
I named Snow Walker from White Walker.
White Walker's calf, yep.
I really miss White Walker.
Yeah, I know, but he went to live on a different farm and he's probably doing pretty good. We separated some of the cows because now that the bull's back, we're gonna turn him loose with some of them, but we don't want him with the others. So, you know, these 4 heifers right here are too young to be bred, so they're gonna stay in this pasture for a while.
Let's go look at
Bernadette is obviously old enough, but she's currently bred, and so we decided to keep her in here with Hallie for a while. Hey, girl.
Hallie has 5.
Yeah. Wet and muddy. Gonna be even worse now with this rain. Going in.
Which is really good that we got these work boots for all this mud, because our rain boots are for rain.
Yeah. Well, these are gonna be pretty good work boots, I think. Comfortable so far?
Uh-huh.
All right, let's feed Momentous. He looks hungry. Grab a bucket.
Can you get it?
Yeah, he's hungry. He's hungry. He wants his cubes. Hey, Momentous buddy. I'm glad to have you back. Hey, Momentous buddy. I'm glad to have you back.
I'm trying to whack me with a sword.
Yeah.
He's a very wild bull.
Yeah, well, it's just, bulls can be dangerous, you know?
Fire ant, fire ant, fire ant.
That's not a fire ant.
Yeah, it is. It's red. That's red.
That doesn't mean it's a fire ant, Lucy. Fire ants are much bigger. Okay, you stay right here. I'm gonna see if I can brush Momentous.
What if it's a baby fire ant?
Let me brush him. Hey, Momentous buddy. Hey, Momentous buddy. Hey. Don't be doing that, Lucy.
That's to Ruger.
Ruger Momentous probably don't like you.
Ruger and Momentous?
Most cows don't really like dogs. These girls out here are hungry too. So we end up, if we keep a lot of cows in here, the grass kind of gets stomped down and eaten down, and then when it rains, we just end up with a ton of mud. All right, got the cubes. Cows are all around wanting to see what's going on, huh? They probably want some cubes. We'll pour them out a few. Irina? Oh yeah, Lucy says she's got her horn split. I think that's just, I think that's okay, Lucy. Yeah. It's just growing and it kind of flakes and stuff.
Can you please take this down?
No, we're gonna need it for the wind. Hey, Hallie, baby. Hey, Hallie, baby. Hey, Hallie. Getting some cubes. Getting some cubes. She's getting some little horns growing. Yeah, give them a try. We'll see if they're really waterproof or not now, huh?
Oh, I'm going to see.
You think it's like quicksand or something?
Ah! Oh my goodness, that is
Well, this is what these boots are for. They're work boots. So far these boots are really comfortable. They've got a nice soft...
And so far my boots are really dirty.
Yeah, your boots are really dirty. Yes, you've been getting in the mud. They got some good grip. What I like about them is they're really not super rigid. Like a lot of brand new boots, when you get them, you can't hardly walk in them because you got to go through that period of breaking them in. These are already nice and flexible, and so it makes them really comfortable to walk in. They got a lot of cushion, and you know, we were given these for free specifically to try them out here and show you guys, but they're not crazy expensive.
They're very comfortable. It's super hard to get out of a huge puddle. I think I'm gonna go and show you.
Don't tell us what you think about how they feel.
They are super comfortable. I'm gonna wear them every time we come out here. I'm not gonna wear my rain boots or tennis shoes.
These are your new work boots. That way you don't end up getting cow manure or mud on your good tennis shoes.
These are my...
So we come out to the farm and do some fishing, go feed the cows, we could wear these even hunting this year when we go.
These are good for a lot of things. I think I want to wash these off and maybe wear them to school on muddy days.
Wear them to school on muddy days? They would work for that. Well, I've been wearing these boots now for about 8 hours. I've walked down hundreds and hundreds of feet of barbed wire fence, mending little holes in it, because in just a second, I'm gonna turn Momentous loose out of the corral and let him in with the other cows over down in the other pasture, and I don't want him to be able to sneak back and forth too easily. I've driven the Ranger, I've driven the truck. It's a little wet today from the rain yesterday. It sprinkled off and on, but it's not like terribly, terribly muddy. But we are at that time of the year where we start to get a lot of rain. And so the corrals become muddy. Going and checking the chores ends up being where, you know, you need some good work boots like this where you're not gonna get water soaking through. I think these will be great for wearing to the vet, because the vet's usually full of, you know, dirt and manure and things like that that can kind of get kind of gross and kind of mess up your shoes if you're not wearing the right kind. A couple of things that I really like about this boot is that they aren't crazy rigid like a lot of brand new boots are. A lot of brand new boots, when you put them on, they're just, there's not a lot of flex and give to them. And these have a lot of flexibility in them. And I noticed that kind of right off the bat when I first put them on. They're obviously waterproof. I think they've got some good grip on them. There's some good cushion. They're not crazy, crazy heavy, so it doesn't feel like you're just like, you know, dragging your feet around because you got these heavy boots on. And the price of these is really affordable. You know, we were fortunate enough that Hisea sent these for us to review, so we didn't purchase these ourselves. But I looked around on their website. They've got hunting boots and waders and kids' snow boots and other things like that, and they have some really good prices on them. If you want to get boots like these, we've got a link down in the description box below where you can check these out. But I think we'll wear these around the farm a lot. I'm really glad to have them. And now we're going to load up Momentous, take him around to the other pasture, and turn him loose. I've had Momentous here in this corral for 2 days, feeding him some cubes, brushing him, just kind of getting used to him being around again. Went and separated all the cows, and kind of the main goal of separating them is I wanted to keep a few of them where he won't accidentally breed them because they're a little too young. So we're gonna see if we can get Momentous in here through the little so now we're gonna see if we can get Momentous through the little alleyway here and into the trailer, take him over there to where the other cows are. Caught him. Come on, Bull. Up. Here, here. Not exactly the welcoming home party he thought he was gonna have, maybe. Momentous. Gonna have to fight them all, I think. Well, thanks to Hisea for sending us these work boots. I think they're gonna really work out to be a great thing for us here on the farm. That way Lucy doesn't get manure on her new tennis shoes, and I've got something comfortable to wear when we go check the cows. There's a link where you can purchase these in our description box down below. You can also find it on Facebook and Instagram. Good brand of work boots. Really glad to have them on the farm.
Thank you for the work boots, Hisea.